Delusion in our heads, falling place to our knees. Come on, let it go. Just let it be. Why don't you be you, not me? Everything is wrong. Leave it to the breeze. Why don't you be you, not me?
Yeah. See, as I lay here and get lost into those eyes, can't deny my feelings for your being, they run deep inside. And we both know a hunger for some lust is all that's appetized. No ties is how it's advertised. I say we love these moments, but that's half a lie. Damn, you're trying to figure me out, and in your eyes I see the pain and fear that turns into doubt. Yeah, you find peace inside your mind as we lay here on this couch, and that's even though you know this moment may not last past now. It's not fair, you're in my ear, Mark, are you wasting my time? We're so hard to define, it's a shame a name will eliminate time. Cause what's forever to a fly is forever till we die. Never let you have your way, you would just stay cause I rhyme. A connection is empty, and lately I've been searching for real. Do you remember how it feels to live and actually feel? She broke me down, so now you're left with all my pieces to heal. How can you steal something from someone who has nothing to steal? That's real. Your questions, you're asking why you can't stay here. The truth, I'm trying to lose all my feelings before they appear. Wanna be clear, but it's hard with this naked body. I lay near, I know I should've chose someone that matters. No bitches, I'm wishing I listened. I could've saved my heart from the stitches. We're kissing, I listen. You're telling me your favorite position, when really all I wanna hear is that you're loyal and driven. We're living in a world where girls are thinking diamonds are love. We're mining it up to remind us of us, paying for trust. Do you get it? She told me, Mark, just forget it. I wanna change this world, and girl, I just don't think that you get it. This pressure is heavy, not ready to just let you forget me. But when this all is said and done, you gon' regret that you met me. I used to wanna find a feeling, now I'm feeling so empty. But honestly, I wanna thank you for the love that you lent me. That's real.
Stay